Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. So on this very wet day, we're going to pick apart to look for some Jeep steering columns to upgrade some Chevy, not steering columns, sorry, steering shafts pretty much. So I kind of want to upgrade my Caprice steering and one of my old trucks also, because you know, see this? And the car's still going straight. Like, I mean, it requires quite a bit of motion here to actually do it, and it's just kind of, I'm used to it, but the wife really doesn't like driving like old cars like that because of the steering issues. So I figure if I can upgrade the steering on this and you don't constantly need to correct it, because usually it's the rack joint just that goes bad in them. I don't think the steering gearbox is bad in this unit yet, but I mean the car does have lots of miles, a lot more than on there, because this is actually a third speedometer in it, because it's a driver, it's my daily driver. I drive this car more than anything out there. I've had it for many years and put in tons of miles on it. It's my camping vehicle and whole 9 yards. So yeah, we're gonna go to American Pick Apart and look for some 85 through 95 Jeep Cherokee steering shafts. Surprisingly, there is not many of those Jeeps left at Pick Apart places. I actually called every Pick Apart place in my area, and out of all of them there is 3 total. So we're gonna go to the one that has 2 of them, and hopefully they're not completely taken apart, because it is a pretty popular upgrade. And in the worst case, if I can find one, I might just have to buy one on eBay or something like that. But I'm hoping that I'll be able to find at least one with a decent steering shaft in it. Alright, we'll see you there. I mean, the Caprice is not bad, so we're doing 65 miles an hour, and I mean, like I said, if you're used to it, it's kind of second nature. I just constantly correct it. But if you're not, it kind of makes a difficult car to drive, especially, you know, when you have all this magnificence behind you. Like, for some people, it's just intimidating to drive it just because how big the car is, and that you constantly have to adjust the steering. I mean, the car has perfect alignment. Like, it actually goes straight if I let the steering wheel go. But once it, like what usually would take like a 1/8 of an inch adjustment, you have like an inch to inch and a half adjustment. So it kind of gets old. But yeah, other than that, like my 74 Chevy pickup, now that thing definitely needs new rack joint. So that's probably gonna be one of the first ones that I would change to, if I ever finish that project. I mean, it's been sitting in the backyard for like 4 years now. Well, here's one. It looks like bird shit all over it. Birds do hate this one. Look at it. This is 89. So this would do. The steering shaft is right there. So there's technically only 2 bolts holding them. So you get one there and one there. This one's easy to get to, not so much over there. Alright, I'm gonna get on it. I'm not really gonna record that process because there's really nothing crazy about taking 2 bolts off and then using the pry bar to pry it off. Let's try another option. Is, since this guy is already taken apart, let's try dropping the steering column. brute force. By doing that, you should be able to pop it off like this. Again, do it only on something you don't care for, because that's kind of gnarly. So, I mean, this is a junkyard Jeep, so it's for parts, so it's harvesting. Pull it right off. Another one here for my collection. Boom and boom. Alright guys, well, thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you guys watching. Hit thumbs up if you liked the video, thumbs down if you hated it. Hopefully this video helps you out. I do like to make DIY videos for you guys. Hopefully if it helps at least one person, I'll be happy. Alright, we're on our way back. Heading home. Loaded. Got actually 2 of them steering shafts from Cherokee XJs for our Chevy upgrades. And I also found a pretty sick, almost mint steering wheel for a Datsun 510 wagon that I took off, and I'm probably gonna just give it for a present for my nephew. He really likes the steering wheels, so that's probably gonna be a present for him. It's either that or I'll give him my old Grand steering wheel and keep that one hanging on top of my garage, just like where the Grand is right now. Alright guys, again, thank you for watching, and hopefully you guys have a good day. Take care. Almost forgot. Please support your local animal shelters. Right, Bear Bear? Right, laddie?